Howdy folks, we're here on the boat with the birthday flute. A couple weeks later than normal, but we've been involved with many projects like taking 60 or 70 years of paint off of the roof and many other exciting things. So here we are, but we have a Pratten in Blackwood with a right hand B flat. There's some other details that I will go over when it's posted, which will be very soon.
Sorry for the giggles. Oh no.